I think that having a hair transplant has to be a fearful, kind of scary idea for most people. And I think thinking about it, for me, back a long time ago when I first considered it, it was. And I happened to see Ron on TV, Ron Shapiro on TV, and I decided, what the heck, I'll just go talk to him. And so I was convinced after talking to him that it would probably be a good idea. I really didn't know how great an idea it was until after I had the surgery. And first of all, I had a fear about the surgery. How uncomfortable would it be? What kind of recovery time would I have to go through? How would it look after the surgery, which was really a concern. And you know what? I didn't have to worry about any of that, even though I did, because the surgery was really easy. The staff made me feel very comfortable. It was a small price to pay for having this great head of hair. And actually, I would have very little hair if it wasn't for Dr. Shapiro. Or it would be in another place, probably not where I wanted it. So that, I don't want you to worry about that fear about being uncomfortable with the surgery or the post-surgery, because that's really a small price to pay for a great head of hair. The second fear I had was about how it would look. And I'm an artist, so I have a very critical eye, and I wanted to make sure it was very natural. And I've seen some bad hair transplant jobs. I happen to be very lucky because I picked another artist to do my job. I didn't really know it at the time, but I really did. And since that time, I had the privilege of accompanying Dr. Shapiro to some medical conferences where he showed off his work, which was me. And I talked to several other doctors about the process, and they admired the work, of course. And so I happened to be very lucky to choose the right person and the right company to do my work. And I say that as an artist. I appreciate the artistry that they did. And I think that those were my really two big concerns: the surgery and the phase after the surgery, and then the final result. And I couldn't be more pleased with any of it because it's fantastic.